Hello guys, this is Johnny here. Today we're going to be playing Forgotten Memories Night 3 with Jack, Nabila and Voilder. Pretty sure. Yeah, Nabila and Voilder are just two people we found. Nabila was found in the last lobby we played. She's pretty good. I'm pretty sure it's a she or here. I don't know. She? He? Don't really to know really. And then we got Voilder, who just joined our server. Lobby. Nabila, me and Jenny are on call again, so you can tell me if any gens need doing. Man!
Do any gens needs doing?
No, not yet. It's so cold.
Ow, why? Are you doing Marinette?
Yeah, I'm doing Marinette.
Okay. Why are you so cold?
Close the door, 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 close the door!
Did you die?
Yeah. He just went outside, he didn't even close the door.
I was like, a generator needs doing.
Yes, a generator, the top generator. Not the one you're probably at right now.
Okay. I'll do it.
The only thing I need to type in chat is oxygen whenever I need it.
Both the generators fine then.
Yeah, all the generators are fine. One of the doors are closed though, so one of them might get a bit rusty.
Rusty?
Should I open the door and check if Bonnie's there?
If you want, you can look at the cams and look at me. If you want, you don't have to. Because you might need
Alright,
to
so he just opened the door. Okay, I'm gonna get the puppet because she's almost out. Yeah, it's not marionette. Well, you can call it marionette, but it's mostly used as puppet. That's what they call it in the actual Five Nights at Freddy's lore. So. Shut up, Bonnie Prop.
I'm gonna look at me.
Are you at the south generator?
No, I don't. Yeah, I think so.
Are you at the generator where Chica is?
No.
Okay, yeah, that's the south generator. Yep, hi.
Hello. Oh, that's a pipe. That's a pipe.
We're doing pretty well in the office.
But, pardon?
We're doing pretty well in the office.
Wait, so is everything alright?
Yeah, Bonnie killed a person once. We just closed the second door, and now the... Ah!
What?
An animatronic in the building. Okay, nice. I think the oxygen's back.
Any generators?
I don't think so, not yet. But now both doors are closed. Because there's both animatronics out. And they're both at both of the doors. So the stuff is gonna happen soon. We're at 3 power.
What, will time be frozen?
Should be. Actually, no.
What
One
was
of the doors
that?
is
Why
open.
how come it's like this weird face? You have to look around. Oh, one generator.
Yes, one generator on the south, which is where you are. Quick. Close it up! Oh! Both doors are closed now because of Bonnie and Freddy.
The other one.
No, not yet, but both doors are closed because of Bonnie and Freddy. Freddy's at the door that's closed on the right, and Bonnie's at the front door.
So do you need the other generator?
No, not yet. Just I'm telling you that both doors are closed and it should be power off soon. So I'm just gonna hide in the vent. Whenever
Jordan
it
Freddy
happens.
will go get you, by the way.
Yeah, but you'll get the generators in time.
Yeah. Or will I? Bam, bam, bam.
Both generators, both generators! Quick.
One.
Oh no! Freddy! Oh, Golden Freddy went in. No, he didn't even appear. He just straight up got me. Did you know that Golden Freddy is the vengeful spirit?
Wait, I thought I dropped both generators.
Yeah, but I think Golden Freddy got me just before.
Oh, there.
Yeah, he got me just before.
Yeah, it took a while for the lights to come back on. So is everything alright?
Swore I saw that fox looking at me when I walked in.
One of the doors is closed.
Any generators?
No, not yet. Hi, Jack. Is that you?
Is it just me, or is time getting slower?
Where?
No, it's Jay, which is Nabila. I think she died. I think she just died again.
Any generators?
Not yet.
What time is it, by the way?
Oh,
Flashing
it's
the
6
game.
o'clock. Literally going to be in a couple of seconds.
Oh. Yahoo!
We beat night 3! Woo! I'm making a video, but the camera's not on. Yoo-hoo! That's why I started recording. That's why I started recording. Exactly why I started recording. Yahoo! Done. Hey! Yay! Yahoo! No disclosure. If the agreement is entered on any date decided by the providing party and by and between Taiwanese tacos, hereinafter referred to the restaurant, and the receiving party, thereafter referred to as the security guard, collectively referred to as the parties. Contact. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna agree. Too much to read. Night 4, baby.
What? Should we disagree or agree?
Agree. Say agree. Because I agreed. I'm pretty sure that's the contact that will make it so we can't talk to anyone outside of the establishment about the animatronic. But hey.
Oh.
Hey, Macarena. Mga lani sani mano. Mga lani mano. Mga lani mano. Hey, Macarena. I got 1,000 money, but I don't need that. So I'm gonna create a night 4. Oh, Chica's gonna start coming alive, Jack. And on night 5, guess what?
What?
I can't see night 5. Oh my god, there's a night 6! If friends
There
only
is?
is unchecked, the game will automatically be... Yeah, there is a night 6. Well, night 4. Create! I like Amber because it fits the mustache and everything. She doesn't have glasses either. I would like to be Travis, but Jack just doesn't get enough.
Johnny,
Yeah?
do you think you'll be fine with one generator through the whole thing?
No. Why?
We might have a slight problem.
Because of Chica.
Yeah.
But it doesn't really matter. She only comes alive every once in a while. And if you die by her, it'll say her weakness. So. Nabila, you here? Yeah,
Oh.
Nabila's here.
Just stare at her.
So it's better to do 2 people do the power gen. Oh, okay. Please join. Yep. Just don't look away from her. I think we might only
Wait,
have
me and you, let's
one
both do gens.
person at the gen. No, you know why?
Why?
Because Nabila's gonna be doing the oxygen, and who's there to do the marionette? Who's there to do the puppet?
I'm saying that the person who will join does it.
Okay, sure. Alright, so we need to tell Rodion. Rodion. Oh. Rodion. Gonna tell ya. Yeah, comma. You're the only one in the office. Rodion. I'm gonna tell you you're the only one in the office. Me and Banana Bud at Jen's. Nabila at
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
I'm gonna take South, Johnny.
Me? Me! Okay. So you're leaving me to Chica?
You know the, you know.
No, look at Rodion. You said me? Okay. That's just funny. Nabila at Oxygen. Yep. Office is the
I don't
easiest
think that's
route.
how you spell
Did I check?
oxygen.
Don't, that's not how you spell cams, man. He just said the C word.
Huh?
He just said the C word.
Who?
Rodion. He misspelled
Really?
cams.
Oh. Stowy.
You know I only have passed one night. Oh! Oh! You only passed one night.
By the way, Johnny,
Yeah?
we need to stare at Cheetah to make her stand still, apparently.
Can I go to the south generator?
Pardon?
Can I go to the south generator?
So I'm gonna go to the south
I
generator.
can't believe they pressured me into this job.
Sorry, let's just go together.
Just run so Bonnie
Wait,
can see us.
let's stick together. One of us looks at Cheetah while the other does the generator.
Okay.
Or I'll do the generator. You open the door. Oh, I heard.
Here, straight forward to the right. Oh, for God's sake, Chica.
Where?
Do you not hear her? Do-do-do-do. She's down there. Jack, you might have a big problem. She's right in front of your door.
I'll take this one.
Nabila, you lied!
No, I'm looking at her and don't go up to it, Johnny.
I didn't. It literally said in the tips, Chica doesn't like being stared at. Use this to your advantage.
This is beyond messed up.
I know, right?
Why did I come back again?
No, Johnny, you went up to her. Johnny went up to her.
When I was looking. Jack, just gonna tell you, I don't think we can get to the south generator right now.
Oh. Well, not unless she moves. Oh.
You know, I'm gonna go to the west generator, you deal with her, okay?
No, Johnny! What if the south generator needs to be done?
Then we'll do it. The west generator needs to be done, but no one told me. Where's she now? Why? I need to go past her.
Aw. Wait, you blink her over there. You blink her backwards.
Ah! She came over to me! She was walking into me!
Wait, you go backwards. Move backwards. Yeah.
She's not moving. She moved so fast!
Right, you do that. I'll do this one.
Why did she move so fast?
No idea. Wait, you just stay there for the whole entire thing. Johnny, just stay there. Hey, Johnny, if you just stay there, then Cheetah will be occupied.
Yeah, she slowly moves towards you, just gonna tell you.
We'll move backwards a bit then.
No energy. Come on. There's the generators. Okay. Ah!
What?
Chica, you got some big toes there.
Johnny, she can't get you if you just keep watching.
Alright, I guess I'm just gonna be looking like this at her for the rest of the game round. Not gonna lie, she moves as fast as hell. Not gonna lie.
I'm asking if any guns need to.
No.
Wait.
Is my flashlight on? No, it's not. Chica, you got some big toes there. Why can't you
Just
move
keep
your
on
arms a
moving
bit
backwards.
down?
Keep on moving backwards.
I can't. I'm on
Just
the
hold
wall.
F. Oh. Are you sure she's moving closer?
I mean, not really, but if she walks a singular step towards me, she is gonna chase after me.
More like she's gonna trap you in the corner.
I have an idea.
Don't try be funny.
Hey,
What?
Chica, calm down. I'm never.
What happened?
She moved
Quite far?
a bit. I don't think you can see her now. She's kind of behind the wall.
Wait, what?
She's around the corner.
Huh. No, just keep her there, because this is perfect now.
Vent is broke. Freddy in arcade. Vent is broken.
What? Oh, one generator. I'm doing the a generator, which needs doing. Alright.
Chica.
Johnny, you're actually playing a really big part. Yeah, this is actually kind of. Wait, is Cheetah still edging closer towards you?
No, I think she's standing still.
What time is it in game? That's what I want to know.
played a Tippy.
Tippy.
I played an important job in here. Let's see what happens on night 5. It's just the same but harder now. Chica moves even faster, which is unreal. How is Chica supposed to move faster? Ah! It's called Fazbear's Entertainment. It's not Fazbear's Entertainment. It's friggin' Tony's Entertainment. It's Tony's Tacos, right? Not Fazbear's. Freddy Fazbear's. Looks kind of like it, not gonna lie. Rodian is here. Oh, Rodian can speak other languages. Who is for night 5? Let me look. I'm gonna create night 5. Oh, Golden Freddy. Again. So now Golden Freddy can appear if you just stand still for way too long. Create. Well. Bruh! She took Travis. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Travis Scott. Travis Scott. Taylor Swift. Let's talk from night. Namila. Join it. Ready? We ready? The picture is G ready. The picture is G Freddy. My G! What's up, Freddy?
Johnny,
Yeah?
are you sure?
Whoa!
Just doesn't.
Whoa!
Why should you run away from us?
Whoa!
Just wanna play.
What the hell?
They're alive?
Why is it
They're
red?
actually
Go
alive.
back in one piece.
I'm gonna go over to the friggin'
Wait, do we still? Right, do we still need gens?
yeah, idiot.
Wait, what? Johnny, wait for me.
No.
Actually, never mind. You're gonna be the one who's jet and cheater.
Chico, where are you?
Where's cheater at?
Let's switch generators.
Johnny, you need to get her.
Those generators occupied.
The generators are trying to me. By the way, Johnny, get cheater out the way. So move her back behind the south generator. It's like, you know, out of the way.
I think
Is she
so.
out of the way?
Yes, I think so. Is it out of the way?
Moving around, by the way.
What? Yeah, I just. Hey, what's up, Chica, my girl? The fact that she's like literally 10 years old or something.
Wait, oh, cheater's right there. Yeah,
Yeah.
just make sure to run around in circles so you don't stand still for too long.
Yeah, I'm not standing still. Did you know that Susie was actually a very young age when she died
Oh,
and possessed Chica?
my torch might have run out of battery.
So
Wait,
did mine.
I mean my lighter.
Whoa, Chica, don't move any closer, okay? You just moved one step, and I don't want you to move closer than one step, okay?
Why is it so dark? Like, why turn out the lights?
I know, right? Just keep... Foxy.
One generator.
Foxy is out. I might die here because I'm right next to the dino. Damn, Chica, your head is pretty big. Why is your jawline like that? Chica, where's your bottom jaw? And why does the endoskeleton teeth look a lot like human teeth?
Why are you roasting Chica?
Because why not? Chica, what's up? I have no idea what's behind me, but it's pretty dark.
Your friend over here is pretty dark, you know.
I can literally just see dark, like a void behind me.
Yeah. Wait, why are you looking behind you?
I'm not. I can see from the sides. Foxy is released.
Lol.
Foxy is stuck in my door. No!
Poor guy. He was so young.
Fritz! Marinette! Marinette! No. Mario. Net. Marionette. I need to die, yeah? No. Don't.
Make sure to move around.
Die. Don't die.
Don't die on me. What happens if...
But I have 3 lives. Who cares? Don't lose one. Thanks for the chips. The video's
What?
still going. This is gonna be a very long video.
At least we've progressed a lot.
I know, we're on night 5. Being 2 nights.
This is just chill. POV, me and you just chilling. Wait, is Net out?
No.
Bro said...
Yeah. It must be the West. I just realized in her highlight, how is both of her eyes glowing? Only one of them's got a light in it. Oh wait, well, never mind. One's got a light, just belly, in the very, very back. Hey, Chica! No moving! Chica, no
Why
moving!
did you to try move?
She took a little step towards me. Did you hear that, Jack? That's
My
super.
response, Johnny, my response time to fixing these generators is literally instant. Where?
Freddy's there. Where?
Oxygen, probably.
Oh,
I'm dying.
Me
Of
too.
oxygen.
He's waiting for me, bruh. If we die of one cell oxygen, the whole game's over. Oh well. Should I go to the arcade? Ow!
Oh!
Ow! Whilst we were dead! Woo! Am I beat for getting memories? That's a ski. Oh, ding ding.
It's stuck. It won't open. What? Mean it, Doc? Hurry up. Punch it or something.
What?
Hey, something's coming.
Bro.
Hurry.
What the?
This is probably gonna be a jump scare.
Whoa. You go laugh, Daddy? And that's cutscene.
What does that mean now? Did we die?
We finished! Well, there's a sixth night. It's not out. It's not on. Not finished. There's a sixth night, though.
Return to lobby.
That's customized. Oh.
So we basically finished the game. You can end your video now. So we finished the game.
Hold up. We need to see what the last one is.
Wait, I don't think that's how you spell Freddy. The picture is golden Freddy. That's definitely not how you spell Freddy.
Oh, that's custom night! Custom night!
What do you mean?
That's the sixth night. Custom night.
What does that mean?
We can customize the people. Like, there could be no Golden Freddy. Right, I'm making it. Alright, so... You're gonna see a brand new side of me. Trust me, I can stay up for past six.
Oh, people are stuck on night 2
Bruh.
and night 1.
Okay, I'm just editing the settings real quick.
No, don't make it too hard.
No, it's quite easy even.
What do you put then?
Pretty
What? 20 of everything.
No, come on, let's just try. Let's just try, okay? Let's just try it. Ready? I can't start it without ready. Kidding. All 20. That's the maximum level, by the way.
Why did you do that?
It matches the song After Hours. Chica. I'ma do Chica. Mimic, wanna do Oxygen?
Wait, Johnny, There's gonna be 20 cheaters.
No, that's not what it means.
What does it
That-
mean then?
It means that Chica is level 20, which
Oh.
is the maximum level. Sounds good.
What, does that mean it's gonna be like maximum speed? Meow.
Alright. $12 a.m. Night 6. Custody. Do it. Do it. Alright. Let's go, Jack. Jack.
I feel like I'm in an endless
Yo!
Keep myself away from this
Mama
place.
net!
Oh, yeah, it's level 20. Even Marionette is level 20. Puppet is already out.
Foxy's already out.
Wait, he's already out? Bunny's already out.
Jeez, that scared me to death.
What scared you to death?
That pipe. Watch out.
Imagine if
Bunny.
Chica's already in this hallway. You scared the life out of me with your hair.
You need
Alright,
to
so
do
where's
your
Chica?
cheater things now.
There's Chica's here.
Where?
Here.
Do you have your eyes on her?
No. She's already gone.
Oh, I think I found cheater.
Where?
Over here.
Alright.
Puppet?
Oh, yep, she's definitely faster. Don't move! Go over here. Come on. Chica. My girl.
Oh. Oh.
Alright, that's it. That's it. I'm not. Right.
Did he die?
No. She just came intensely close to me. I screamed like a girl. It's like,
Maybe next round not too hard. Hmm.
Somebody can recollect his teleport trap in his nightmare. I'm so confused. This is taking longer than I expected. Hey, we need one of you guys to come down here and help us get the cell door open. Wait, what? Where does Soup live? Okay, that came out of nowhere. Also, the door.
alright.
Wait, is cheater?
Yeah. Chica. Ah!
I think he is Freddy, I'm not sure.
Oxygen might go out because Nabila's at the room with Marionette whilst Mimic left. Yo.
Bruh.
Johnny? Thank you. What? Yeah, whilst I'm making the video. After I finish making the video, I'm playing because I wanted to do it. But then I wanted to make a video.
Johnny, where did cheater go?
She's over here,
Oh, hi there.
almost murdering me. Casually. Normal day. So how's your day going, Chica? Forget the night shift. Want a promotion yet? We got a spare suit that's currently open. That is low, but it doesn't concern me. Want some water because your robots are thirsty. I don't know. What is wrong with this light?
I can't remember how to get there.
Literally. Well, I can't. The curtain, remember? I remember. But Chica! But Chica!
XP?
No, the P's to make it look like a dead face.
Oh. Well, if you're not doing cheater, no one can do generators.
Hold on, look at Chica for now, for just a
Why?
second. So I can go to do the oxygen.
What is it? Only if it's needed.
Okay, when oxygen is needed, you look at Chica, okay? Oh, look at that, Foxy's out.
Why is there weird noises?
What do you mean?
Oh, oxygen, Johnny.
Okay, look at the Chica.
Wait, let me just.
I bet I'll find
Yeah, I've
another
been
way.
both gens now.
What?
I've been both generators now.
Look at Chica from behind.
Wait, does that work or does it have to be directly in the eyes?
I don't know.
I'm looking at cheater.
From behind.
Yeah. Do you see me?
Ah! It
I don't
doesn't
think
work.
it worked.
That's the pathway I need to go through, but Chica may pass. I died by Chica. Oof.
I'm gonna die to oxygen.
I died.
I also
Perfect.
died to oxygen. Oh wait! 6 a.m.
What?
Me says yay because you died. But we actually made it.
We're too good. Pro. Imagine if it just keeps on looping.
We're too good.
3,000! Oh!
That's money!
Oh! Oh, that is some money.
Money.
Must be funny in Already Trans world. Anyways, so guys, that was the end of the video. We beat night 3, night 4, night 5, and night 6 Ultimate Custom Night at all 20s. So I hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, turn on post notification if you don't want to miss out on any content, and I will see you in the next video I upload, which I keep forgetting to do. So bye.